So here's how you can use PortalWith to show data to your users or clients as a website and looks a bit professional. So the reason we made this is because we wanted to make a separate professional website, even just a simple one where user can see their own data and our team can still work in just one workspace. I've seen a lot of people separate their client by workspace, but it's not really scalable. As the clients gets bigger, the workspace gonna be a lot and it will be much harder to maintain in the future. With PortalWith, you can keep just one workspace, so it's easier to track everything that you're working on. Clients can log into a custom website with your own domain. Each client can get their own secure login. They only see the data that's connected to them. You can hide properties you don't want them to see. And you can even do a bit of design to your portal so it feels like your own branded platform. So how do you set it up? First, connect your Notion workspace with PortalWith integration. Then define the mapping. This is what tells PortalWith which database to use for members, clients, or contents. First, define your member database entity. This is where you store your client contacts, and this is the most important one. Because each member is a user that can log in. You need a name and email property. Make sure you have the email property, since email will be used for user to log in. You can also add client database entity. This is an optional entity. This is if you want to group members under companies. Basically, sometimes you might have one client that have several people in it, and you want that people under that clients to be able to log in. Then, besides member and client, everything else becomes content. You can customize it, you can have tasks, invoice, files, or notes. Anything else you track in Notion. To make it filtered by client or member, you can just set the relation through property, and PortalWith will make sure client only see their own data. You can also add a content without a relation, but this means the contents inside it will be visible to everyone, which is good for things like shared resources or announcements to every client. After you set it up, the best part, all of this turns into a clean professional website with some extra design options to make it exactly how you want. So your team stays in Notion, you see all of your resources at once, and your client get their own portal.